The fastest courtship upon record occurred during the markedly wet Seapold secured a betrothal over a plate of sugared almonds and licorice in just 4. As for which of these fates await the eager matches of the season of 1813...
But I am sorry for everything I've done and said.
You may not understand this now, but...
George cared for you very much, Miss Thompson. And that will never change.
Did you know about these letters? The ones that...
I'm going to Bridgerton House this morning. Dear Francesca's returned from Bath.
Oh, and Philippa, perhaps Mr. Finch might even reconsider his proposal, now that...
And now she will be able to put right what she botched this season, I'm sure of it.
Well, I'm sure with Whistle.
And yet,
Oh dear.
there is no ending in sight.
Whatever it is, I believe it must begin with the letter A.